to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 low competition niches that are profitable Amazon KDP keywords to help you get started publishing low content books. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, we do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP keywords. We're going to talk about how to make money using Creative Fabrica, Amazon KDP, writing for Medium and Vocal as a way to earn passive income. So subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first Amazon KDP keyword. And the first keyword for the day is called Extra Secure Password Book Discreet Safe Notebook. So it's a notebook style, and it is for a password book, and it needs to be a discreet, safe, extra secure notebook. Now, although we do have the self-publishing Titans Chrome extension as well as the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, now although self-publishing Titans did give this a keyword niche score of 20, it clashes with the results that we got from Amazon Scout Pro, which gave this a number 9 as a great niche. And also it also conflicts with the analytics section given by self-publishing Titans, which indicate, all the indications right over here that you see indicate that this is a profitable keyword. So for the reason of this video, I'm going to go ahead and disregard the keyword niche score given by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, and I'm going to stick to all this section right here with the results indicating that this is a beautiful, great, profitable keyword, as well as I'm going to rely on number 9 as a great niche given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us the green light to go ahead and publish notebooks on this niche. Now this is a great niche. It has a total results of 63, the lowest I've seen, indicating that the competition is very, very low. There are 63 books published under this niche, and the average bestseller rank is 124,538. We've got an average reviews of 4,849, and the price is quite low, which is $2.10. But then again, if you do create a notebook and logbook style book about this keyword and over deliver, you can be able to price your book a little bit higher, and you can also create multiple books, multiple notebooks with different designs and slightly different interiors that are all password books, and allow the customer to get a variety that way. So we've got a couple of books here that are selling now. The first ones are all sponsored, so there is ads running, and then here we do have a book that is also being published here. There are a couple of books also that are KDP run, so do keep in mind the majority of books under this section are FBA, so they are not Amazon independently published books, but there are books that are KDP independently published as well, so you can go ahead and look at these right over here. Then again, I love how this is a notebook niche, which is not very much common that you find a notebook keyword that is low competition and high demand. One thing also you can go ahead is you can also just see right over here a password book, and then you would write notebook, and then you would scroll through. Now I'm using 4 Chrome extensions for this video. So I'm using a total of 4 Chrome extensions, mainly self-publishing Titans as well as Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. And this helps to really give us an overview of this keyword right over here. So we can go ahead and write password book logbook and then see what comes up as well. We've got alphabetical, we have the spiral, but don't click on the spiral because the majority of the books under the word spiral are FBA and not Amazon KDP independently published books. So as you can tell here, the main keyword, which is password book, is massive competition as well, 50,000 results. So finding a book, finding a keyword under this massive niche is quite rare, and I would like you to take advantage of this keyword. Publish a book or 2 under this keyword, see how you go. I wouldn't completely rely on it. but it is something extra for you to dive in to make a notebook, a logbook style that is a password book. And you can also sub-niche based on for women, for men, for students. You can make it more of a, for different people who are, doctors' careers, accountants, and so forth. Another keyword that I would like to share with you is Reseller Planner Notebook. Then again, I'm not going to follow the keyword niche score given by sub-publishing titans because of the results shown right here. And this is also a notebook keyword. So ignore the keyword niche score given by sub-publishing titans, and I want you to focus right here on all these results and focus on the number 6 nice niche given by Amazon Scout Pro. And we have the total results of 139 and an average bestseller rank of 379,436, as well as the average reviews are 2,799. Then again, the average price is $2.50, and this mainly goes back to the fact that this is a notebook niche. So there are some sellers, especially new ones, who are pricing their notebooks super low to break through the competition. And this pricing strategy is not advised, because not only will your royalties be very small, it will also affect all the other sellers as well, and it will really break through the market in a bad way. So please don't price your books that low. You definitely won't get anything out of it. So Reseller Planner Notebook is a great keyword for you to dive into. And we have a number 6 nice niche category by Amazon Scout Pro. And as you can tell, we got some FBA books as well as independently published books such as this one. This is a sales planner, professional sales planner journal. Now they have not used the keyword Reseller Planner Notebook right over here, but it is ranking under the first page because they did use it in the 7 keyword slots. So please don't underestimate the power of the 7 keyword slots. It is very powerful to get your book ranking as well. So there is a reseller logbook and planner, and this is selling really well. This is a purely sold by Amazon KDP independently published book, and this is beautiful because the seller has decided to niche down to the sewing niche, to basically the creating clothes and sewing. So that is and crafting as well, which is really nice to see, because that is the power of niching down and being unique as well. This one is a pocket reseller planner logbook, which is a smaller size as well. So you can go ahead and see different books being published. Have a look at the main books that you're interested in that are selling quite well, that have a bestseller rank that is lower than 300,000 preferably, and see what is special about them. Have a look at the comments, see what customers like and dislike about the book, and try to break through the gap. Fill in the gap and you'll be good to go. Always aim to over deliver, even when it comes to a notebook, just a simple notebook themed book. How can I over deliver as a seller? How can I not only provide just a simple basic notebook with lined sheets? How can I provide, incorporate some text to do with the kind of maybe strategies about reseller planning, or strategies to help, or how to use, for example. Anything that helps you over deliver and go take some steps ahead and show the customer that you really want to provide as much value as you can to the customer will really come in a long way as well, and it will help in repeated sales, as well as the customer going in and checking your own account and seeing what other books you have to offer as well. And the third and final keyword for the day is daily work task logbook. And I did save the last keyword, the best keyword, for the last, and it has a keyword niche score of 47 and a total results of 2,405 and an average bestseller rank of 65,339. Beautiful bestseller rank under 300,000, which is ideal, and in this case it is under 100,000. So for example, I'm going to go ahead with that. It is a logbook style book that allows the customer to record their daily work tasks. It couldn't be as simple as that, and the power of sub-niching under this main keyword is massive. You can go ahead and create based on career, for example, for nurses, for teachers, for doctors, for accountants, and so forth, for students, for men, women, seniors. So many potential to sub niche, and a lot of books that are selling quite well are all the majority of them are Amazon KDP independently published books. So we talked about the 3 profitable KDP keywords for the day. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.